Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here, Lawrence. It's about 20 past 8. I'm cooking some fruit bread toast on this strange contraption. Say hi, Matt.
Hi, Matt.
Funny figure. Very nice today. Very busy.
It's going to get hotter.
It's going to get hotter.
Yeah, it's going to get proper heat wave.
Been making lots of these. Doing lots of rope work. Look at that one. That's a Hercules knot. That's a cobra stitch. Not over here. There's an odd one there. It's actually glow in the dark beads. That one's made out of some old mooring rope, hence its tattiness. And there's another one by there. So I've been doing lots of weaving. That's the time. And seeing to my boat with all the upgrades that I was going to. Lots of coots and animals out today. And billions of fish. So let's check how this toast is progressing. This strange toasting machine. Looks like it's toasting, doesn't it? Flip it. Flip it. Ah, yeah, it's toasted. Ow, it's toasting, alright. Definitely toasting. Built-in virus protection and Google Play Store. Now, just $179. Pretty epic, don't you think? There's loads more deals on Chromebook in our Epic Deals event. In-store and online at Curry's. Was $249 for the 13th of March to 26th of April 22. No, stupid Nation Radio. Lovely sky, look at that.
Beautiful. Ridiculous.
Behold, HD sky. I'll just leave it up there for that angle for a while. So it'll probably look really nice with the sunset now. Check on the toast in a minute. Enjoy the sunset. A while off, so feed the fishes. Likes it, don't they?
Ooh, that's very toasted.
Oh, that's proper. God, fucking
Spoil it if they want it.
toastage. Ow! Well, it works.
Yeah, no, it does.
Yeah, that's because I got it on full as fuck.
Actual toast.
Show the toast side, Spaz. Behold, toasted toast.
Live on board the Windy Ridge.
Live on board the Windy Ridge. It is actually toasting though, as you can see on that side. So it's doing pretty nice. And a really nice hot fruit loaf. If you haven't tried fruit loaf, try it. Fruit loafage. Very nice.
I think even undiscovered tribes in Amazonia know about fucking fruit bread, right?
Nah, they don't.
Yeah, they do.
Nah, they don't. They know about Nike t-shirts. They don't know about fruit bread.
But everyone does.
Nike t-shirts and deodorant is what they know of. This song sucks.
I know, fucking terrible.
Oh, that smells nice. Can you smell that toasty smell?
It's very nice. Don't use all that posh muck.
Behold, toast. My hands are burning and you put butter on it. Oh, very nice. Give me the plate. Ow. Where are my hands here? Crunchy sounding that. Cool. Good sign. Mm. Apart from my liquefied butter. It's 30 degrees. Oh, nice. Ah, well, toast bread worked out well.
Drop the plate.
That's all really noisy.
You went over to watch it that guy, right? And then you got stuck there.
Huh?
I bet you got stuck there.
Watch it.
Think about this then, if you had a boat, you went over to watch it, and it broke down, the boat, A, you wouldn't be able to get back.
Yeah.
You couldn't drive all the way around, get someone to pick you
No.
up, and like, it's just fucking going to take like 3 hour round trip on it.
Well, it's sold in my anchor, so it's probably just anchored out in the channel. Anyway, I'll get another one.
Filled me a bit.
Same. Here it is. Good down.
Drop that back in.
No, no.
Hey Steve! That guy was getting on, he liked that.
Yeah, I know. What are you doing? That was nice. Don't go back in the water. Put it back in the water.
Keep it cold in your water.
Our fridge.
Lights going.
Light.
Yeah,
remember how
noisy
it was here
last night? It was fucking just booming. Everywhere the music.
Just the sunset.
Still another hour. And then you get dark till what, half 11, 12? I don't think you even got that.
Shouldn't get a good angle on the sunset. There we go.